For a Sigma INFJ, recovering from a relationship with a narcissist is more than just moving on. It's a journey of turning pain into power, building resilience, and creating an emotional armor that transforms their experience into a source of strength. In this video, we dive deep into how Sigma INFJ heal, redefine themselves, and emerge stronger after enduring the emotional challenges of narcissistic relationships. Watch until the end to understand how these quiet but powerful individuals turn their scars into something invaluable. Section 1. Understanding the Sigma INFJ's appeal to narcissists. Sigma INFJ, with their unique blend of empathy and independence, often find themselves entangled with narcissists due to their compassionate and insightful nature. These qualities make them highly attractive to narcissists who seek validation and admiration. However, unlike typical INFJ, Sigma INFJ resist conforming to anyone's expectations. This independence often creates a push-pull dynamic in relationships, causing tension with narcissists who aim to control and manipulate. Section 2. Emotional scars left by narcissistic manipulation. The impact of gaslighting and manipulation. Gaslighting is one of the most common tools used by narcissists. Through subtle lies and twisted truths, narcissists make their partners question their perceptions and beliefs, which can significantly impact the Sigma INFJ's self, trust, and mental clarity. For Sigma INFJ, gaslighting erodes their intuitive sense, leaving scars that can take time to heal. Loss of identity and confidence. Narcissists often attack the confidence and self-worth of their partners, leaving emotional scars that manifest as self-doubt. For a Sigma INFJ, who is deeply introspective, this can lead to a prolonged period of introspection and even isolation as they question their worth and reality. The need for control and isolation. Narcissists often isolate their partners, fostering dependency and deepening the emotional scars left behind. For Sigma INFJ, who value their independence, this form of manipulation can feel like an attack on their autonomy, leaving a mark on their sense of self. Section 3. The path to healing and self-reflection. Introspection as a tool for healing. After experiencing manipulation, Sigma INFJ turn to introspection as a way to heal. They reflect on the relationship, seeking to understand not only the narcissist's behavior, but also how they allowed themselves to become entangled in the dynamic. This self-reflection is an essential step in their journey toward healing. Acceptance of emotional wounds. Sigma INFJ don't ignore the emotional wounds left by narcissists. Instead, they accept their experiences and view them as opportunities for growth. This acceptance allows them to face their pain head-on, which is a key part of their transformation. Rebuilding self-trust. The gaslighting and manipulation they endured often damaged the Sigma INFJ's self-trust. As they heal, they work on rebuilding their confidence in their intuition, learning to listen to their inner voice once more. This renewed trust in themselves becomes a cornerstone of their strength. Section 4. Turning emotional scars into resilience. Recognizing vulnerability as strength. Sigma INFJ begin to understand that vulnerability isn't a weakness. It's a strength. They embrace the emotional scars left by narcissistic relationships, recognizing that each scar represents a moment of resilience. By accepting their past, they turn vulnerability into a source of empowerment. Establishing firm boundaries. After experiencing manipulation, Sigma INFJ develop a heightened awareness of the need for boundaries. They learn to protect their energy and set limits with others, ensuring that they don't fall into the same pattern of emotional abuse. These boundaries serve as a shield, protecting their newfound strength and autonomy. Selective empathy. Sigma INFJ, known for their empathy, become more discerning about where they invest their emotional energy. They learn to reserve their compassion for those who truly appreciate it, rather than giving it freely to those who might take advantage. This selective empathy helps them to maintain a balance between compassion and self-care. Section 5. Rediscovering independence and solitude. Finding solitude as a healing space. For Sigma INFJ, solitude becomes an essential part of their healing process. It provides a sanctuary where they can process their experiences and rebuild their sense of self. By embracing solitude, they reconnect with their independence and inner strength, reclaiming their power through self-discovery. Sigma INFJ often find that after a narcissistic relationship, they have a deeper understanding of who they are. They use this knowledge to reclaim their power, setting goals and priorities that reflect their authentic selves rather than trying to fit into someone else's expectations. Channeling pain into purpose. Many Sigma INFJ find meaning in their pain by using it as fuel for personal growth or creative pursuits. Whether through writing, art, or helping others who have experienced similar struggles, they turn their emotional scars into a driving force for positive change. Section 6. Building a future rooted in strength. Setting goals that reflect their strength. As they heal, Sigma INFJ begin to set goals that honor their resilience. These might include pursuing a passion, investing in personal growth, or establishing relationships that respect their boundaries and independence. Each goal serves as a reminder of their strength and capacity for growth. Choosing relationships that honor their worth. Sigma INFJ become more discerning about the people they allow into their lives. They seek relationships built on mutual respect, empathy, and trust. By applying what they've learned, they ensure that their future connections value and honor their worth. Section 7. Lessons learned and wisdom gained. Recognizing their experiences as a source of wisdom. The scars left by narcissistic relationships become a wellspring of wisdom for Sigma INFJ. They've learned invaluable lessons about resilience, self-worth, and boundaries. These lessons guide their future choices, helping them avoid toxic dynamics and pursue relationships that align with their values. Inspiring others with their journey. Sigma INFJ often feel a calling to share their story and support others who have endured similar struggles. By sharing their experiences, they offer hope to others, showing that it's possible to overcome emotional wounds and emerge stronger. Their journey of healing and resilience becomes a source of inspiration for those still on the path to recovery. In this video, we've delved into the journey of how Sigma INFJ turn emotional scars into strength after dealing with narcissists. Through self-reflection, boundary setting, and embracing vulnerability, they transform their pain into a powerful source of resilience. For Sigma INFJ, each emotional wound becomes a badge of courage, symbolizing their journey from victimhood to empowerment. If you've experienced a similar journey or want to share your insights, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on resilience, self-discovery, and navigating relationships as a Sigma INFJ.